Can we say? Oh, it means that not they were not to be expecting that make me use say the word no, but me sure no my say na say be your offense. Yes. So
it is now big companies are holding you in high esteem.
Yes.
Into name we ha no say.
Oh, there be on say
omo person be ka bi.
Yes, person be ka bi. And I say me ka kra na omo person say me can no. Me can from that angle. So what I say. Okay. Me can we dey say you benya access to community shop no nya just easy thing.
Okay.
So what I say. Okay. And penefo dey real mu ansa na ade we say to me dey abaso. Into assume ne important ya te there. Okay. So what touch mine?
Atadwe
ate there.
Ma yente de na de na ye ede here.
And then say and say obi dware anopa say wo fi trap ya say senkobi na say anase ye area nyina ti wa ene kwabem municipal ha say no. Wo de nyane akwai say ko twa sem card wo ko fodu asa brim anase kede. Ye de bia besuom.
O say
say besa me say say obede nyane anopa o ko hen a say me kokoforo dua ba
kokoforo dua
o ko ye dey me say my round me kotwa anase me kwabrim say ye the MTN community shop abesuom
step by step multi limited
your community shop ha na tie no ka say
ntime de ba ko bi ayila na eye motor metu dia ko ntime se me nko no
there be
metwa wa ha
betwa ha ya
with the same number
asema Kenya se bi oba ye besa number wo ye wa access to SIM replacement ye wa access to new SIM card.
Okay.
And I want the good news.
The good news is what?
The good news.
The good
news is that. Send your car about to cost SIM card at outrageous price no. Higher as cheap as 10 Ghana cedis.
Me ba cho senti mo biom.
You turn SIM card when MTN office West from 10 Ghana cedis. You can take my West from me. 10 Ghana cedis.
10 Ghana cedis.
10 Ghana cedis.
Just as wako MTN office.
Yes. You want be a friend price compliance.
Okay.
Send your higher MTN officer. You want access to MTN nyama nyina no. Oba ha say you can turn SIM more than 10 Ghana cedis enfam. But you shall be so. You want be a obeto new SIM a friend ADS.
Okay.
ADS nature say active data services.
Okay.
It Mr. Bisako na oto SIM sesi a ho. I will say ADS the ma. ADS ne say you betwe my MTN app e the amount.
Okay.
You betwe Momo app e the amount.
Good.
Benefit ne say auto credit wo Momo app so a yefo. Auto data wo Momo app so a yefo. Enti penefo agya to say obi to SIM card bi na I will say at least 10 cedis na the data wo ono an SIM so the ma no. Enti SIM card na ka say 10 cedis na agya 10 cedis be ADS the amount.
No ne dey say we e fala. Ye ntu kwan biem enkwa samankase. Yenkwa dream. Yenkwa kofodua say ekutwa SIM and ekutwa SIM card.
That's a new SIM card.
Step by step.
Yes, boss.
Step by step.
Yes, boss.
Me dey me wodi bi me o say enano. Me free wodi bi. Enano obula bi ma Joseph.
Yeah, papa or the board chairman or step by
Joseph.
Step. Yeah, your board chairman.
Of our time.
Yes.
And me dey we David.
The David I say so we community more. I was so to bo amani pa ho hen han no.
Say who solve problems.
Yes. You can say the EcoBank be assume. The way I assume na your important mo B account me I'm even shocked.
Wow.
It's the actual was say oba na be twa SIM card. I will say make sure say uni bank account or it may be bank account e the man.
Wonderful.
It oba ha say ya.
Wonderful.
Anything Abraham multi limited.
Let's say ahano Momo banking everything
yes.
relating to money.
Oba e be ni na the amount.
Oh my goodness.
So what I say.
Step by step. One ade na one kan na no medi kan buy no na nyame hihye mu say ya na
say no ho except by this generation.
Okay.
So what I say.
Okay.
Come by this generation so no say the pabrew yemre so. So what I say it na say I say me bad this time. Until my bad at the right time.
Enti de womni. Mesrawo send ya wutu kwan kokofodua MTN office akotwa SIM card.
Yes, and that's how we could be with SIM no.
We could be with SIM no.
And that's how open new one.
Yes, but enko unya du achimeso ma me patcho. Wo de wo say okọ step by step.
Akola kwen step by step.
Opien de enwo no kra no. Enim step by step.
Yeah.
This is a refreshing news. Abama Asuom ene ntwa so me kan enkura etwa Asuom so akosia. In fact, Obi Beka say long overdue. Yeah. Long overdue because Asuom sha asiache.
Yeah.
Na SIM card somewhere Obeko Asuom here 1.5 200 Ghana cedis 70 cities. In fact,
now
some of us now.
Cabo only I'm getting sure. And benefit na my ass say if you say more say.
Good.
You say be a person will be a juma.
Oh yes.
But me wa in the name of MTN.
Yes.
It's me represent MTN no. And since we be here there, we be breach a agreement no.
Okay.
And it say over to SIM card when I turn more than 10 cities demand wa. I also report to me step by step at man before.
Good.
And I say oh about so we are there wrong.
Okay.
E the joma say so okay BBC me ne be frame me.
Okay.
It is more or less like you can say MTN office na community shop na me pe no money me.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
When you say your MTN office was human, your MTN office was human, step by step and representing the whole Ghana MTN or a quite municipal.
Okay.
So what I say.
Okay.
It's Asempa, yes, the first person ever report to them MTN. On 24 I ever report to issues that moment.
See you, Mama corner me here man for bizo. In fact, Nana ya orator.
Yeah.
Or say the news we have been waiting for.
Yeah.
Yes. Na mka say na hwene musa.
Yeah, it's here.
We akwasi insura the body. I say big ups. That you are doing so much for Somo.
Thank you.
Regardless of we now on
Oh yeah.
But one of the work no.
Yes.
And no ye the Jones appear could be oguso a wo hwe pa wa pomp of a wo hwe na afi Petra owuso ono so eguso a wo hwe mpa Brojo so ejirama sabli o hwe Webek adu I say more vim. Yes. Martin Brown and so hwe mpa and Yaya Musa say more power to your elbow. Please, do you sell data SIM?
Data SIM I have MTN office.
Okay.
Actually, you say MTN product BR no. It be what I say.
Okay.
So what I say. It will buy no matter what the best sort out.
Good.
It's a percent Asuom for ne area ha Akawani Atobri so all the nearby towns no.
Okay.
Higher stopover.
Good.
So what I say.
Did you do a mention?
The mention oh ever na walk
over. Eti obetimi aba why? Yaya obetimi aba. Yaya obetimi aba. Ama frempom ma ehwe yen. Na aye frempom Elijah enso ejidam Webekadu ojidam okay. Isaac eye amfo ono so ojidam na ohema efia ono so ehwe yen. Steven tutu wono so ejidam a ohwe yen. Etiemo Peter eye oxy enso ejidam a ho hwe yen sisi a Kojobo so mpem o say step 1 my favorite entrepreneur I did take application come
application unim you hear staff.
Okay.
You hear competent staff.
Okay.
Ana me pese me ma ewiase na so tia say oko MTN office bia na service de ma no you did the same service na ma wo step by step multi limited.
Okay.
Oba workers no be kasa good. What I say?
Okay.
Ama ho ato. Unfa problem as in emfa nko.
Wow.
You will be a friend back office. Even your bro so no. You will be a person that back office and pen for sort out in no time.
Wow. Wow.
It's the applications our face or the application bar. Our doors are open there for staff.
Etiemo Peter say wow bro, you do all.
Yeah.
Stephen Mafu, was it please about MTN agency?
MTN agency you turn store and I say you turn office.
Okay.
All the phones we buy now they call connect store and I say service center.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah. Good.
It's my mention now obi hu the difference between connect store, service center and a community shop.
Okay.
Ni na you perform the same role.
Okay.
But I quite say university, ne was secondary school, and you primary school.
Okay.
We do say primary school who here. What I say, who here?
Yeah.
Because I want to build the foundation and the amount, only the basis. We do say secondary school who here. In the case of service centers are Koforidua MT office, service center.
Okay.
Accra MT office, service center. The whole regions and service center.
Okay.
And now you can say connect store, you be municipal, it's as a man can say, a connect store.
Okay.
You be new abrima, how to see a connect store.
Okay.
And you be district level it's has a community shop.
Okay.
But just what I say.
Okay.
So that is the difference.
Okay. Good. Nice one.
Isaac
Amfo, I say thanks for your operational duties.
Yeah.
Yeah, will be that was it. Etiemo da so jiram pampe. And Kasib Rahman, I say good work. Kasib Rahman say good work. In fact, we appreciate adwumaden a wo ye ede aboa eye amanfo so. Ye ni asopa, ye ni asobibode, ye ni aso. Into de kwaso ahwe yen. Step.
Minua.
Before Ababeka, yes, we are refreshing news. Ababeka home. Free some move we eba mo head office high. Experience not the same.
very very fantastic.
Wow.
Near face be cry ba ha see a ebia market be from ba oni bibi. The good news is that ba say no be okra when humi am person be transaction.
Wow.
Into customers kwasa move from kwan one masan dey aba ha say.
Wow.
Enti ade ba kwa be say etiefo na say so ba na obeye osem hodwuma ye fam ranya dwuma.
Okay.
So ba na say kaso na una ye number 1 na di mra no so. But so I say time be so ma ye hodwuma ye den e dey amount. Ana network na dey adwuma nto ba ha say nya nto boase yen no eye ni je say serve obi a eye ni je say serve obi a enti ye mpese bi a e dey keep obi a time. Who say network na dey adwuma if one person so record the other person so ye mpese obi ka say tell obi say na okokro mu a wo de obuo ni die ma san crofo no say dey ba level ha say a say oba so a wo de ni die no obuo ma eye workers aba beto ma say
ma yin ye clear sa dey we fio often eye na ye mu bin ye call MTN eye say the community shop and say eye
service center
service center na say connect with stores na say ye bia ye ko pe bibi na say ye nya something like SIM card ho asema ye kan obo say obeba head office unya bi ba obepie no na abobo ano ho no ma bo say ebi wo enkrofo eye na ye say office for no mashada e na mode amankrofo bi wo kwanchen so omonton ema yen
ma menyi sa so we say no unim ye tumi so da massive no enkwa bonten.
Okay.
For instance, you have say no empany for my target.
Okay.
Number of sims are I will see trying within a month.
Okay.
But what make can say?
Okay.
In some kind of sim ko gwa bonten enkwa say near or beto wa say ni. We can't do that. And we will never do that. Here dey wa say be boa assume ni important way na am obi ho ya den ato no. Ntu no ni say you can say sim ko gwa bonten akoto no at outrageous price na ha say but 20 minutes.
Wow, 80 we dey yeah, obi ka say you demystify
yes concept ni na
yeah enti the omni say osem no ho nkobo no an na no why wadwen say utu kwan no twen anumle ya na bra wo bra me hu say madam bia basisi ya na ya okọ next office
obi twa man sisi
enti no o twen den entu kwan ko say step by step multi limited odi bibia abrayin yenhwe ebreben time when so do ha ibi ko djuma ntempa ibi so late ablene blebe na was obi
time I dey djuma anka empenifo ma 8 o'clock but already in step by step time anka said bed my 6 o'clock
okay
it me share obi bia bo so ba 6 o'clock we pay us ma 6 to 5 after 5 o'clock you to me trust him bill
okay
I just said the next day after 6 o'clock
okay it when ubetima be ye ansa no akwadjuma ana betima akwadjuma ba
6 o'clock
no ba be step by step multi limited. Wow.
Yebema
Asuom Ghana kwa bibrem etiwa ena po mantem
e pese obi ahoto no
wow
ade a obi etumi nya na step me me team amokra Asuom News e ka ho na ye
nice one
ye ka se de Ecobank be se de ba ye
kan Ecobank o de aba
ye de Ecobank ba ye
o de aba
ye de aba so
ye adwuma
ye se o ba ha so ya
ena me kai se ye ba ha na wo hye ye bo se enche said the rate at which a month for two kwan be nyas then because of SIM card what beba no and then God being so good and ye na ye living witness
aba
wow step by step enti osika na da fie no bi tu fie den na obi akwakotam na wakokodi de wabranya no adan na won fa step by step multimeter fa beto ha fa osika na beto be bi account e wo ha aha na osika na eye save wo hwese ne company no egusu progress na it means say we na obetimi don ho atoso memfa osika no enkototo baby bremfa so bi enti ma so ema that step by step motivated e wo ho see o ye free from mem news na abreke
yeah
e dey na odi twato
dem dey twato no say they hear staff
okay
they have competent staff into qualification here degree in SHS
okay
it will be follow within this category now certificate obetimi apply for adwuma e be fa na adwuma
wow enti adwuma so wo ho e de ma wo wo hwe me enti ka kire obi na obi kan kire obi say no dey step by step ho obo ru ho a o SIM card no ye twa de amount 10 Ghana cedis
number 2
10 Ghana cedis enti number no
0244
22 85 30
CO number no
okay
0244 22
okay
85 30
into ofra we ebesi so direct into application kura no ho komo na opese wodi no woni si woni bedi Unya we baba bia o.
It is a step by step.
Anka na sanka me number na da o PRO.
Yeah. But which you know that one?
Na o friend media. But
yeah.
Ese pani dwale wia.
It is.
Eso say so.
Yeah.
Pani dwale news na we.
That's
you know, abusia step by step multi limited
Yeah.
and your board run office case no no betwetwe enkomo no. The refreshing news and it says SIM card no ye twa wa ha 10 Ghana cedis. The aila, the blocky, fofra wo pe ni nyina no obowura mu ha. Wadaroma won sabeka na sani MTN e twa na 10 Ghana cedis. Umpe we na opede e step by step multi limited. Mbacho head office no ura achimesoma Methodist Mission House. Methodist Mission House. Wadaroma bowura honoma obehu se esewoni FM ekwan no so a e na obehu step by step multi limited edan fe pa iwura mu ati ha no me FM papa na etwa gu ye ho esi no etwa sa na de womni nyame yadoma Asuom news twan kutu yekopiem e wose wo wanchi yekopiem wanchi se jase he wanchi jase he ba ma wo anase na nakokura Asuom news yebema live coverage of a year no enti yanko na mehwe omanfo nso kakra ode ba yansa na Kasim Rahman Asempa no me yefre was good work. Alexandro Otibu was it wow very interesting and we at Timo Peter was I love Step as my senior advisor in terms of business management skills. May you find your needs. Ubin so answer part the mount.
Peter
yes. Business advisor part there. Oh yeah, top notch.
Oh sure.
Alex Jechi also keep up the good work. Jenny Nana ama adepa oheyen. Sa ugusu Etiebo Peter wojiram.
Right, me no bibi ya boa boys away area hapa.
Oh wow.
You start to say yeah go we say. Omo any capital a ya mo yi cash a ma ton wo area ha say no. Bo nsika no ya man yi cash no de adwuma.
Wow.
Ya bo npa bebre still ya so ton yi cash our ha say.
Wow. But that's so ton yi cash no. Oh wow.
In large quantity.
You are helping people to also get grounds.
People we no muni capital. They were test. Opa saka you see be phone lines ni mo. Mo be phone lines.
Menim. Now sometime ago that me was firm ketu be. Enya hona na me ba my brand here Jeff of blessed memory.
Yeah.
Enti yes also onyamisha o say bia ye ba pe na waso data na o de hwe yen. Gidi say ye be mo wa yinhira na de ohun ne da bro. Asuom News.com aha ye ba ye step by step multi limited. Breaking news and be for the mount. SIM card no brand betwa 10 Ghana cedis. Umpe we na opede.